Hi guys. It's still me. I was out here a minute ago topping up the dishes. All the dishes were empty and everybody was gone except for a couple of skunks. Oh. And my fresh water's not so fresh anymore. I didn't get that one quite as bad. Just when they walk through on their way to the door, so it gets a lot more traffic. And I filled up the dishes. This is a third filling, including the original. Now for the last couple of weeks, the original fill has made it all the way to the end of the night, till the morning, and still has some in the morning. So I guess the heat strike is over. My aim was off. This sweet little boy, he's fuzzy as can be. Another big boy. You can tell by the thickness of his tail, he's at least 2 years old. Probably closer to 4 or 3. 3 would be my guess. And what about you? I think you're 2, because you've got a smaller tail. But you're traveling with the big boys, right? Hang on a second. Now this little guy, the guy on the left, he comes in. If I had a seat, he'll come in, visit me. This guy looked like he was going to come over and take one from my hand for a sec. I'll try that, see if it works. I'll get some triples. Oh, hey now. That was not nice. And ruined my experiment. See if I can hit Poof in the bum here. Whoa! I think I hit him. I couldn't quite see. The phone probably saw. I didn't get a good look at it, but one for you. And one for you. Oh, grumble, grumble. Well, see, now if he was here by himself, there's no way he would do that. Just because he sees this guy taking them, he knows it's not really a big risk. Stack up my pockets here with some more peanuts. But I don't want to make too much mess because I got the deck cleaned off somewhat. Go. I'm zoomed in too far, that's why I'm not seeing anything. I'll try Poof again. Oh, way off. Not getting good aim here. I'm shooting left for some reason. Right? All my shots are going to the left. I'll throw one over there so you don't have to risk getting attacked. But anyway, I'm going to give you one each. One more. Oh. You. And one for Big Bum. Alright guys, you behave and be safe.